This video demonstrates a one-sided adhesive repair on a cracked heavy-duty truck hood made from Metton. The crack is approximately 6 inches long and is not accessible from the interior, so the repair is performed entirely from the exterior. Begin by cleaning the damaged area using a dedicated, non-solvent plastic cleaner. EcoPrep plastic cleaner is recommended because it removes wax, grease, and other contaminants without leaving residue. Drill a hole at each end of the crack to prevent further spreading and serve as a reference point for sanding. Grind the area around the crack, extending approximately 3.5 inches in all directions. Grind the center area deeper, tapering outward toward the edges. Several layers of fiberglass cloth will be applied over the damage, beginning in the center, and the beveled profile ensures the layers sit flush with the surrounding surface. Remove all dust from the repair area. Do not re-clean the sanded surface with plastic cleaner or solvent. Cut several pieces of fiberglass cloth, beginning with a small piece and gradually increasing the size of each subsequent piece until the final piece is large enough to cover the entire sanded area. Apply PlastiFix adhesive to the sanded surface and spread it evenly to work the adhesive into the sanding scratches. Place the smallest piece of fiberglass cloth over the crack and apply PlastiFix adhesive over the cloth. Position the next larger piece of cloth on top of the previous layer. Use a spreader to press the cloth into the adhesive and distribute the adhesive evenly beneath the material. Continue layering fiberglass cloth and adhesive until all pieces have been applied. Apply an additional layer of PlastiFix adhesive over the final piece of cloth. Place a sheet of polyethylene or polypropylene plastic over the repair area and use a saturation roller to fully spread the adhesive and embed it into the fiberglass. The plastic sheet will not adhere to the adhesive. Leave the sheet in place until the PlastiFix cures. Once the PlastiFix is cured, remove the plastic sheet and sand the repair area, feathering the repair to the original surface. Apply hard-set filler over the reinforced area and sand the filler once it is cured. Repeat this process, applying additional layers as needed and extending slightly farther outward with each layer until the surface is smooth and properly contoured. Do not use polyester fillers or polyester primers over the PlastiFix. Scuff the entire area to be primed. Apply the first coat of primer. Sand the primer using 180 to 320 grit sandpaper. Then apply a second coat of primer. Continue sanding and priming as needed until the surface meets the desired standard for top coating. Despite being a one-sided repair, this method provides excellent strength and durability, even in cases where the damage extends all the way to the edge of the panel. If both sides of the hood were accessible, the interior surface would be reinforced using a similar method. This exact repair method can also be applied to fiberglass and acrylic components.